Hi guys, Lisa here. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss out on future videos, and also hit that notification bell. Today I am going to be doing a video in collaboration with Uncle Funky's daughter. I have done so many videos with them using their products. I absolutely love their products. We are now in the cold months. It is January and I am looking for styles to protect my hair. Now we all know you can always go in, braid your hair with some extensions or twist your hair, passion twist, all that good stuff. But there's some protective styles that we can do with our natural hair as well. So I am going to be showing you guys two products that I am using from Uncle Funky's daughter to make sure that my hair has the moisture it needs in these cold months and the hold that I want for my styles. So the two products I'm going to be talking about is the Heal and Renew Intensive Hair Mask, so this baby right here, and then also the Curly Magic Curl Stimulator. I love this product for twist outs, braid outs, wash and goes, anything you can think of. It's really good. I've been using it for, I guess this is what, the 5th year now, and they recently came out with this Heal and Renew Intensive Hair Mask about, I think, 3 years ago, but it contains silk protein, avocado, and baobab oils, so there is a little bit of protein in it, which is important. I know some people are protein sensitive, so make sure you keep that in mind. Protein isn't the first ingredient in this product, but protein is very important to make sure that your hair is strong. But I also know with these cold months, I don't know about you guys, but my curls tend to dry out faster in the cold months, so it's very important that I look for products that are going to give me the moisture that I need. And this product, the Heal and Renew Intensive Hair Mask, gives me the perfect amount of strength and moisture to my hair. Now when I use this on my hair, right now I'm rocking a wash and go. When I used it, I left it on my hair for about 15 minutes. I don't overdo it with the deep conditioners. I just do whatever it says on here, and if I'm not mistaken, it actually says for 5 minutes, or if you apply heat for 30 minutes. But I usually do 15 minutes and it gets the job done. So yeah, I just wanted to tell you a little bit about this product because that's what I used on my wash day before I used the Curly Magic Curl Stimulator to get my wash and go that I have going on. Now I wanted to start by telling you guys that because when you do protective styles, you don't have to necessarily start from scratch, meaning you don't have to necessarily wash your hair and then jump right into whatever protective style you're doing. A lot of times, low manipulation is the best protective style. So if you have a wash and go and you've been rocking it out for the week and then or to about half the week, maybe about Wednesday, and you feel like, I think I want to put my hair up and kind of protective style it a little bit, I'm going to show you guys a cute hairstyle that you can do to protective style with your, I don't want to say week-old wash and go, but like half-week wash and go when you want to, you know, switch it up a little bit. So if you're interested in seeing that, just keep on watching. Alright guys, so I am starting off with a wash and go, and this one is about 3 days old. Now I could very well wear this wash and go out for the rest of the week, but I am choosing to protective style. That's what this video is focusing on. So I am going ahead and sectioning off a portion of my hair in the front, and the parts are not the straightest, but that is okay. They will be hidden with this style. So I'm taking my Fine Mist spray bottle. This one, I love it because I can just press the button and it just continuously sprays out fine mist of water. So I'm doing that, not soaking my hair too much, just making it a little damp around the edges. And then I'm taking my Curly Magic Curl Stimulator, which is a really good gel for twist outs, wash and goes, and I like to use it sometimes to lay my edges down for these puff styles like this. So I'm taking a goodie headband and putting that around my hair to give myself a high puff, and this just gives my hair the perfect amount of tightness. It's not too tight, but it's just tight enough to give me that perfect puff. Next up, I'm taking my hair where I parted it off in the front, and I am going to be parting 4 different sections and twisting my hair down like so. And I did take a little bit more of that Curly Magic Curl Stimulator and apply it to my hair. Now depending on how old your wash and go is, you may not need to apply more Curly Magic, but I decided to go ahead and apply more just to show you guys how this product will look on my hair. And as you can see, it really gave my hair a lot of shine, and whenever I get ready to undo these twists, my hair will have so much hold Like, this product gives the perfect amount of hold and moisture and shine. My hair just always looks so good. So with my twists in the front, of course, I'm not just going to let them hang down low. I am pinning them up like so. So just making little loops. And I actually used about 3 bobby pins in the front. You can use more or less, however many you like. Just make sure your bobby pins are hidden when you do them. And you could put little jewels in the front of your hair to make like a crown type thing. But I went ahead and got my pins and clipped them on the side. And I got this cute style, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, you like this style, let me know down in the comment section, and definitely make sure you give the video a thumbs up. Also, make sure that you use my code iMadameJay to get 15% off of your purchase when you shop at UncleFunky'sDaughter.com. Bye, guys.